Moving with children takes careful planning so they feel safe and calm throughout the process. Start by involving children in packing their favorite items to give them control and predictability. Use clear, simple explanations about timelines and what will happen each day so they can form realistic expectations. Prepare a child essentials bag with favorite toys, snacks, spare clothes, comfort items, and any medication so everything needed for the first day is at hand. Arrange trusted childcare or a family member to supervise kids on moving day so they are away from heavy lifting, strangers, and chaotic zones. If that is not possible, designate one adult to be the child handler and keep that person free of other tasks. Label boxes with descriptive names like games, bedtime, snacks, and comfort items so you can prioritize unpacking and recreate familiar routines quickly. Create small goodbye rituals for the old home, such as a photo walk, a drawing of a favorite room, or a simple thank you note for the house to help children process change. Common mistakes include packing a child out of sight too early, which causes panic. Instead, pack together and clearly separate a day bag with essentials to reassure them. Another issue is underestimating sensory overload from noise, strangers, and disrupted routines. Mitigate this by maintaining typical meal and sleep schedules, scheduling quiet breaks, and using headphones or calming music during transit. A third frequent problem is not labeling boxes in a child-friendly way, which delays settling in. Solve that by using pictures or color codes and keeping a short list of box contents so you can set up the child bedroom and play area first. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers resources tailored to moving projects and home transitions. We also host an active discussion community where families and professionals share tips, recommendations, and personal experiences to help make moves smoother.